Are you a streamer who uses Mixup and you want to set an alarm to go off at a certain time during your stream? Let me show you how to do that. I'm Nova Charter and I stream regularly on twitch.tv/NovaCharter. And I'm here today to show you how to do a cool trick. In today's video, we're going to utilize a program called Mix It Up, a free, full-featured, community-driven, open-source stream bot that you can use to add a wide variety of interactions to your stream. So, like I mentioned, today we're going to be making an alarm to use. Now, why would you want an alarm on your stream? Well, let's say every stream at a certain time, you play a certain game and you want an alarm to go off so that you don't forget to switch. Well, you can do it pretty easily using Mix It Up. So we're going to show you how to do that today. So first of all, we're going to need to open up Mix It Up. So here it is here. You can customize the look of Mix It Up. I'm using a purple and gray theme, but you can pick whatever you want. So go up to the hamburger menu, which is over on the left-hand side. We're going to go to timers. There are different ways you can do a timer. We're going to create a new group. So first, what you need to do is go over to new command. We're going to click that. Now, if you just create a command without putting it into a group, it's going to default to the standard time that you have here. So what we want to do is make sure this alarm that we're going to create it gets checked every minute. So first, let's give it a name, and we'll call it alarm for stream game. You can call it whatever you like. We're going to create a command group. I already went ahead and did that. All you need to do to create a group is click in there and start typing. I called it 1 minute, and group interval is set for 1 minute. Now this is important because what we're going to do is have Mix It Up check to see if the current time is equal to the time that you want the alarm to go off at. So what we do now is go down to the bottom of this dialog box. You'll see action and a plus sign. We want to click on the action box here, and we're going to click on conditional, and then the plus sign or the add button. What we have here is the conditional box. We have first value equals second value. So we want to put in a variable for the time, which will be denoted with a $sign, and then time, and that checks your system time, whatever your computer says. Next, for second value, we want it to be, now during the time of this recording, it is 8:36 p.m. for me. So we'll say 8:39. Let's say 8:39 space p.m. We'll keep that capital. And then we have a separate action box inside there. We're going to click on that box. We want a sound to go off for our alarm. We're going to click the add button. We have a new dialog here. And I already wrote down the path of the sound file that I want. These are local paths. Let's grab that. And we are going to paste that in right here. Secondly, I want a chat message. So going right here, we're going to click. And click on chat message, the add sign, and now we have the second box here, we're going to say, this is your alarm. All right. And that's pretty much all we have to do there. So we have this conditional, which will say, if my current time is equal to 8:39 p.m., run these items. So it's going to run a sound, which is going to be played through Mix It Up. And we are going to output a chat message. I'm going to hit save. All right, for the purposes of this test, we're going to have run only when live unchecked, and we're going to make sure that the timer we just created is toggled on. All right, I'm going to go over to our chat so that we can see it is now 8:38 p.m. while I'm recording this video. The alarm will go off around 8:39. Now, because Mix It Up is checking every minute, it won't trigger exactly at 8:39, but sometime within that minute. And there we go. You can see right here in the Twitch chat, we have this is your alarm, and you heard that audio cue. That means it's time to play our game. All right, well, I hope you found this quick tutorial useful. Like I said, my name is Nova Charter. I stream regularly over at twitch.tv/NovaCharter. I hope to create a bunch of these Mix It Up tutorials as well as StreamerBot tutorials. So please join me next time. If I don't see you here, I hope to see you live on Twitch. All right, have a great day, and I'll see you next time.